Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today we have some goodies from Welock. It's a company specialized in smart locks for doors, and this time they sent me the U81 model, which comes with fingerprint, password, app unlock, RFID card, can be connected to a Wi-Fi box, and also comes with mechanical keys. So the full package, and right now we are going to unbox everything, then I will install it on my door and test everything out, review it and so on, and show you how useful is this Welock smart lock, because I already have a model that you probably saw on my channel, and I am using it for over a year and a half. So if you are going to order the device, the box will look like this, very nice. You have to break the sealant, so there's extra safety when it comes to shipping. And inside the box you will get the instructions manual, very thorough. Everything you need is in there, multiple languages, yeah, very nice. Also there is another accessory list with everything you find in the box. We have some spacers, and you can use each and every one according to your door's design. We have the lock itself, but I want to see the accessories box. Yeah, full, as I said. All these accessories are in the package if you are going to order the device. We have the lock cylinders, some screws, yeah, different spacers, 3M adhesive dual-sided tapes, and also 3 RFID cards and an Allen key. Very, very nice, practical. As I've said, we have 2 metal keys. This should be used only for emergency. And this is the lock itself. This part goes into the interior, and this part goes into the exterior. And here we have the fingerprint scanner. Very, very nice. We have an Allen screw over here. It needs to be removed in order to remove everything and see how it will be installed. The installation is fairly easy. This is the area where you should insert the batteries. Yeah, so this is the module with the batteries. It looks like this. And we need 4 different 1.5 volts batteries. Okay. And then if we want to dismantle this lock in order to fix it in a different way on our doorstep, on our front doorstep, I believe we have these we have these screws that needs to be unscrewed, but I'm not going to do that because it seems that we can install it without any problems. Let's insert the batteries. We need 4 batteries. This means that we will have a large amount of time for the power of the lock itself. Like this, like that, and we should, yeah, this is how you should insert the batteries. And when you connect it here, we have to choose the language. English selected. The lock is on, so you can add, modify the admin passcode. You can add some admins, or you can add normal users up to 190 users. Very, very nice. This way you can set it up using the code, the fingerprints, or the swipe or the card. Each time someone will enter, it will display their number. This is very, very important. So this lock can also be used for employees, firms with a high number of employees. And each time an employee uses its code, that entry is stored in the app. Very, very useful. Also, we can delete admins, we can delete normal users, We can empty normal users and empty admins, and also we can delay time unlocking. We can set the date, we can set the time. That's very nice. So we can set the date, time, records of opening doors, register information, version information. We can turn on off the sound. We can even activate a vacation mode. I'll just add one user. Okay. Yeah, so I entered the passcode and I entered the admin passcode, and I can unlock the door in theory. It's nice that when you have an active passcode or the lock is activated, yeah, we have this LED light. Yeah, I have to change the admin password. ID, lock delay, date, time, clock. Let's add a user. Adding success. So right now I have the ID 012. Let's see. So right now it seems to work. Right now the lock is activated. It's in admin mode. Right now is deactivated. Okay, so it's deactivated, and I want to use my fingerprint. Yeah, I've used it and it seems to work. Let's see if it will work with the long password. Yes. So it works with the fingerprint, it works with the password. I have to remember that the admin password was replaced, was changed, and when I'm going to use it on another door, to change it again. The next step is to activate this lock on the Welock app. So if we want to activate it, all we have to do is enter Welock. I'm already using one of the Welock products, so I have the lock number 3727. I will add a device. Let's see, we have a QR code. Unfortunately, there's no QR code. I only have the ID. Yeah, you have to be in the admin mode. I've entered here and I can unlock it from the distance. Let me show you. And it unlocked. Also, this one can be connected to my Wi-Fi box, but I'm not going to bind it. And I will be able to access it with the from the distance. Let's see. We can add a card, we can add some temporary passwords. Let's add a password. Very nice. I can add the name. Operate near lock, need to use Bluetooth. So right now we are connected to the lock via the Bluetooth, but if we connect to the Wi-Fi box with the lock, we will be able to remotely control it from anywhere in the world. That's very, very nice. As you see, the Wi-Fi, my other lock also has the USB and the Wi-Fi box. I am connected to the Wi-Fi box with my lock, and I can unlock it even though it's far away from me. And this one has even more features. I really like the fact that you have an admin mode. You can add users, you can add groups, and with the usage of this Welock door lock, you can record each and every exit, each and every entry of your employees. For instance, if you have many employees in a deposit, in a warehouse, and so on, it's very suitable if you want to record all the entries and leavings. Let's see, we can also add a card, fingerprints. You can factory reset everything. You can sync the time. Let's see if we have the correct time right now. Yeah, 2026. I'm not sure if you can see it, but the time is correct, 9:53. Very, very nice. Let's add a temporary password, and this is very, very nice. You can do all of these from the distance. You don't have to be near the lock if you have the Wi-Fi box, which can also be ordered from the welock.com. So this is the Welock U81. You can order it using the link in the video description. It's very nice. You have fingerprint, you have key codes, also 2 metal keys and 3 RFID cards in the package. Of course, you can buy more RFID cards if you want. You can also buy or add an Wi-Fi box to your order, and this way you will have access from anywhere in the world to your smart lock. Buy it now using the link in the video description or in the first comment.